In this next set of lectures, I'm going to take you through the different subtypes of OCD and teach you specific rounds of EFT for each subtype. So we will go through EFT for checking, EFT for counting, EFT for touching, EFT for fear of germs, EFT for harming others, EFT for scrupulosity, which are religious obsessions, EFT for pure obsessionals, so maybe you don't do a ritual, but you can't stop thinking about something and it causes you great distress. EFT for sexual obsessions. Okay, so if you're having sexual obsessions of harming children, like a pedophile would, but you're not a pedophile. If you have sexual obsessions about another human being, if you cannot stop thinking about porn, I will address that in that particular lecture. Or if you have sexual obsessions about, what if I'm gay? Okay, I'm going to address that with EFT. If you hoard, I'm going to give you a protocol for hoarding and how to tap away indecision and how to tap away, I can't let go of this stuff, or I might need this someday, or I need my stuff around me, all the reasons that you hoard. I'm going to have EFT for hypochondriasis. If you have a tendency to think that you're always sick, there's going to be a lecture on that. We are going to go through all these lectures, and then I want to hear from you. How does OCD affect your life? I'm trying to touch on all the most popular subtypes of OCD, but then I need you to tell me what you want me to cover for you. So let's go through these lectures together, and then if for some reason I'm not addressing your particular subtype, let me know. Here we go.